Well, we are back with one of our dear friends, Catherine Stone. Catherine, I have learned so much about your law practice, but also workers' comp. I know this is a passion of yours to help people who find themselves in unfortunate situations. And I know we're talking about getting paid cash in lieu of a paycheck. Some may think that's a good thing, but I'm assuming you're here to tell us that is not the case, right?
Yes. I mean, for a host of reasons, but I'm going to touch on from a workers' compensation standpoint. And especially, I'm going to focus primarily on the construction industry. You know, I have a ton of construction cases with people who've been injured on construction sites. And there's a whole slew of issues that arise in those particular cases. But one that's been repeatedly coming up of late is a lot of people have been paid cash to show up for construction sites. And then they unfortunately have an accident. And then we deal with, okay, we found insurance. We found an insurance company on that site that would have to cover the incident. But now we have to turn towards your lost wages. And under the workers' comp statute, if you do not pay taxes or have taxes taken out of your paychecks, then workers' comp does not have to pay you. And that's one thing a lot of clients really don't understand is, well, what if I don't have to file taxes? What if my threshold's too low? Well, it still doesn't matter. You still have to do a filing or a reporting of that income and have the proper, taxes documented for that income. And that's really something that, we've been struggling with a lot of clients to understand. And again, it may sound like it's all great, but at the end of the day, it comes with a lot of complications. So what we end up having to do is have our clients go talk to a CPA and our certified public accountant and get those taxes filed and documented with the IRS so that we can go back and get them their lost wages. And it's coming up more and more often, and I don't know if it's because of the pandemic or what, but really and truly be careful, if especially on any job that you're being paid just cash, but especially a construction site, because you are more prone to severe accidents and injuries, and you certainly will need those wages through the work comp system.
I'm kind of glad, and I want to make sure I'm getting this right, that it is an option still. If maybe you have done this in the past and you're like, wait a second, I got to stop now, getting involved with that CPA to make sure that you are taken care of. Is that correct?
Right. And so, in fact, I just had two of my clients, we directed them to go seek out assistance with accountants. They ended up filing their tax returns and getting that cash documented as best that they could. And now they should be eligible for receiving back pay through the workers' comp system.
It seems like too, so many people probably would think, oh, cash, hey, this has some benefits to it. But the benefits really are like right then and there. You can't plan for the future. And so from a future standpoint, this is where you don't ever want to do it, right?
And I tell clients, look, you need to help me to help you sometimes. So I need you to go, file your tax returns or,
Yeah.
report this to the government so that I can help get you paid.
This is a good one, Catherine. I don't know if we've ever talked about this before. So thank you for joining us as always. And I know you are an open book and you like helping people. You want to help people. And if you have questions with workers' compensation or anything under the legal umbrella, personal injury, well, Catherine, she can help you out. There's the information on your screen for you to get in touch with her today, her phone number and her website. As always, Catherine, we enjoy that you're part of our show.